So this is how to connect the D8 smartwatch. So first of all, we bring out the watch from the box. These are the user manual. This is the watch itself. You find the strap and the charger inside the watch. So first thing, you peel this one off. Okay. Then you go to your phone. Go to your, if you are using Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and download this app called iLink. If you are using Apple phone, you also download this app. So then you power it on with this button. So also, if you pull up this side, you can see the earpiece. When you remove it, you'll find a nylon here. A seal is on this charging port. Remove the seal, so you can put it back like this, cover it, and then connect it to charge. It will start charging both the earpiece. Also make sure you come out the seal that is on this part of it. All right, so ensure that you remove the seal that is here. So power it on by pressing this button. Press and hold it. Now you are on. You can slide down. You see what I did? So slide from the down, click on this to power on the Bluetooth. Then you go to your watch, come to your watch, your phone rather. Come to your phone, go to your phone Bluetooth, go to your phone Bluetooth, and then you search for this D8. When you find D8, you click on it to pair. So it's asking for permission. Click on pair, click on allow. So now you are connected to the D8, and you can see the battery percentage on your phone. So go back to the app, come to this app, and you open it. Whatever permission that is requesting, kindly grant it. Click on yes, sure, swipe, click on this experience. Then at this place, you are to open an account, or you can just click on this. Okay. You can log in by, let me check. So you click on this no account sign up. Click on no account sign up. So you register, fill this form. Okay, fill this form, your email address. Then you click on this send SMS code. An SMS will be sent to your email address. You go to the email address that you have entered. You go to the email address, you copy the code, you go back, and then you paste the code here. So after you have done that, you create a password. 6 to 12 character, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you click on this agree button here. So I try to use alphanumeric, so I use this as a password. Then you click on this I agree, then you click on register. Ensure that you have an internet. Make sure you have an internet. So registration successful. So you come here to log in. You can log in by entering your email and the password that you've created. And then you click on this agreement when you log in. Alright, we are in now. So once you log in, next thing you do, you come to this button where you see device. Click on device and click on add device. Before you do this, ensure that your location setting is on. Please ensure that location setting is on. So after being that done, click on add device, click on sure, allow while using the app, allow, ensure that you grant all the permission. Then you make sure the device that the N8, the D8 is close to the phone, so you can see it. Then you click on connect. So you wait for it to pair. So now we have finished the connection. We are now connected. Sure, allow. Okay, so I hope we'll get this correctly. So now we are connected. If you look at the watch, you see that the time has been set. This is in 24 hours format. This is 16:32. You can see the current time, which is equivalent to 4:32. So the time is set. You can only change this to 24 hours if you want. So on the app, you can come down, go to, let's say, device setting. Let's see, you can change the name of the watch on the app. You can also come to message notification here. Click on show. Look for the app, iNet, this. Look for this app, then put it on. Click on the allow, and then you can go back. So now in this place now, what are the things you want to grant notification on? Click on this on notification. Then you can off the ones you don't want to receive notification. It is advisable not to have too many notifications turned on, so that your watch battery will not get drained faster. So once you power on the ones that the social app that you want to receive notification on your watch, you can go back like this. And then if you want to change the watch, if you want to put a watch there, you can come to this my dial, you come to local. You see this, you have different dial here, so you can come to local. You have some other ones. These are the ones that are already on this watch. These are the ones that are already on this watch. You can see all of them. You can see them here. Okay, so these ones are already on the watch. So if you want to do a customized one, you come to this edit. When you come to edit, let's say we can take away anyone. I'm coming. Okay, I think looking at the watch, you can only download from the market. You cannot use your own picture as a wallpaper on this watch. So you can set order, just click on it and click on download. It's going to download, and you set it as your wall. Then when you click on this place, the ones you have here are the ones that are present in your watch. So you can change it from here, or you can change it from the watch directly. Let's say I want to use this. You just click on it and click on use, and you can see it. It's now here. So let's check another feature. You can add some contacts to this watch. Just click on that, click on add. So you select the contact that you want to add, and then you click on the add at the top. It's going to move those contacts to your watch. So you can select those contacts from the address book list. So you can see that. So from here you can dial. You see. So also this is your earpiece. You take the earpiece out from this watch, place them, go to the Bluetooth of your phone. Go to the Bluetooth of your phone. Are connected to the watch. So we also need to connect this Bluetooth to the watch. Okay, come here, let me try to, let's scan again and see. So you can see it. This is the earpiece. Click on it to pair. You can put it on your ear. Click on pair. So now we are connected to both of them. All right, you can see that both the watch and the earpiece is connected to your phone. That is how it's going to be. So when you have a call, both your phone and this watch are going to be ringing. So if you want to pick it, just press this place in the watch, tap on this place like this. It's going to pick the call. Okay, just tap on it to pick the call. Then you want to end the call, you tap on it again, it's going to end the call. Okay, so I think this is all we have. You can go through the watch and see other functions. Just double tap here, it's going to change the menu. Double tap it will change the menu display. So if you want to change the menu display, just double tap here. So we have several menu display. Okay, all right, thank you very much.